Really appreciate that. Thank you.
Way to the train station to head over to New York for the 5th Avenue grand opening. Gotta wait 20 minutes before the train gets here, and I left my sandwich at home, so I gotta go find some snacks. This would be awesome right now. So it's about 3 a.m. The line is building up. There are probably about 15-20 of the Apple employees are out trying to engage the customers in line, answer any questions they have. Getting a little hungry, still waiting in line. But look at this thing, man. Woo. About 7:50, 10 minutes to open the doors, and this is how the line's looking right now.
Closer to the rhythm of the violet breeze. All things moving closer to the rhythm of the violet
Alright, so today was a jam-packed fun day, September 20th. I came to New York for the grand reopening of the Apple's Fifth Avenue store, and we were surprised when Tim Cook came here. I had a chance to go ahead, shake his hand and take his selfie with him, and that was an amazing experience. Also had a chance to go ahead, pick up my iPhone 11 Pro Max 256 gig, and I had a chance to also go ahead, do a couple of unboxing videos. One, I unboxed my 11 Pro Max right here in the Apple store, and I had a chance to unbox 3 different clear cases. So all in all, it was a super fun day. I am starving right now. I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm gonna go ahead, grab a bite, eat, and then head over to the train station so I can head back home this afternoon to my family. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, the day is over. It was jam-packed. I can't wait to get to finish and edit all the footage I have for you guys from the tour, from the unboxing, the phone case reviews, and all that. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.